Watch this video to learn how to display your store's opening hours in WordPress and how to show whether your store is open or closed based on your time zone. We'll be using a plugin called Business Hours Indicator to achieve this. First, go to the plugin settings and search for the Business Hours Indicator plugin. I will also add the plugin link in the video description. After activation, go to the plugin settings and select your time zone first. Then, in the next tab window, we can create multiple locations and add working hours. You can add holidays to the hours table and customize the indicator text as well. You can simply copy the shortcode for the simple table from here. I will add these shortcode in description. Simply replace your location name in shortcode. Displaying tables and results is a free feature, and we can use the shortcode anywhere on the page or post. As you saw in the video, I added it to the Elementor Builder. Some additional features can be obtained in the Pro version. I hope you found this quick Elementor tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.